your shoulders, move your nose.
Our building was built in about 1980. The air conditioning units that we had were the original air conditioning units for the most part. A couple have been replaced over time. We're in kind of a dangerous situation because we have 11 units, and if one of them fails, then the other ones have to increase their capacity in order to be able to keep up.
The units that we took out were using double the power that the new units that we put in were. So we're seeing huge savings there.
In the back office, I know that the air conditioning is on right now, and I can go into that thermostat. If they were telling me it's 74 degrees back there, if they were telling me that they're too hot, I can adjust that. MG&E has a program called Shared Savings, and Shared Savings provides low interest loans. We pay off that loan with our regular MG&E bills that we get every month. So it's been really very straightforward and simple.
Typically, when customers make that energy efficient upgrade to a new appliance, those energy savings will actually repay the loan. We want to help our businesses in our community make decisions to implement energy efficient opportunities in their facility. So if that means we can help by financing a project and the customer can then use what capital cost they're saving to put right back into their business and into the community themselves, then that's a win-win situation for both.
And a lot of times it's an emergency situation where they don't have time to plan for 2 or 3 years because they need to change the unit in the next month. They were also able to add in some extras, things that are going to make the environment better for the kids and stuff. And they wouldn't have been able to add all those extras in and do everything all at once without the shared savings program.
They got to see the crane in action, and a couple of the young boys were just shaking. They were so excited.
I like this crane.
That's like the one that was here, wasn't it? Look at this little crane. This one's like a spider. It's got feet on it. Nevin, you are awesome.